Let's check NASDAQ again. NASDAQ, how it has behaved this week. We can see that the price has reached this resistance area here in the past week, and on the Monday the price has formed this small bearish candle with a small wick going down, and then the price returned back up on a Tuesday, where the price has formed a strong bullish candle, where the price has made a breakout to the upside above 15576, and also the price has reached this area 15964, which is very close to round number 16000. The price has stopped here, forming some kind of a bearish pin bar, and then forming this bullish candle, and then on a Friday small bearish candle, which means that the price is holding this area here, possible a breakout to the upside. Now let's see on the weekly time frame how this looks. On the weekly time frame we can see that the price is returned inside this uptrend channel, which is a great for the bulls, and also the price has made a breakout to the upside above this great resistance area, and also the weekly candle has closed above this very critical level on the weekly time frame, which is suggesting a very strong bullish momentum is currently in the market. Now let's see on the monthly time frame how this looks. On the monthly time frame we can see that this month is pretty bullish, because we can see that the price is breaking this great resistance area, then this one, and also currently this one. So we have around 2 more weeks until this month ends, so anything can happen and it's still open. But also very important level for the monthly time frame are this one here. It is 15588, very important level, and also the second one is this one here, and this one here around 1586. If the price closes on the monthly time frame above, this will mean that the price is heading to 163 area around this great resistance monthly horizontal line. So this is very important for the bulls, but below, if the price goes below 15500 price level, the next one where the price could go is 15177. So anything can happen in the next 2 weeks. That is very important to see how this looks on the weekly. But as it looks right now on the market, everything looks bullish, so there is a possibility that the price will continue to move to the upside. Based on the weekly analysis, we can see that the price has formed this bullish breakout, so I'm expecting now that the price will retrace a little bit, confirming this breakout as a valid one, at least on the weekly time frame. If the price stays above this area 15580 price level, this will mean that this weekly bullish breakout has been confirmed, and we could expect that the price continues to move up. If the price returns back down below this one here, below 15500, this will mean that the bullish breakout has been false one, and we could see that the price returns back down around area 15194, which I have just mentioned, also very close to on the monthly time frame. Now, to see much better and also much clear picture, we should go to the daily time frame to see how this looks. We can see that the price has been in the uptrend, strong uptrend, and then the price has gone in the small downtrend. Now the price has gone above this small downtrend and returned inside the big uptrend, which is also very important for the price. And we can see that the price has gone above this very important resistance and also a supply zone where the price did not stop, but the price has stopped here. The price has formed these bullish candles, and we can see that none of these 4 candles could not close above this price level, which was also a very important level in the past on the daily time frame. The price has touched this area around supply zone, but it has formed a bearish pin bar. This bearish pin bar has not been formed right here on the great spot, at least not for me, because we can see it here. The wicks has touching, but for now, as it looks, I'm also expecting that the price could make a retrace back down around 15600 price level and then returning back up. I have mentioned that I would like to see on the weekly time frame that this bullish breakout has been validated, and that is the price returning back down and then continuing to move up. This would be a great signal that the price could try to break above and reach around 163 price level, which is a very important supply zone on the monthly, weekly, and also we can see it here on the daily time frame. If the price goes down and do not stop here, we can see it here. The next level where the price could stop is around 1542, and below that is this one here, 15259. It's very close to the price level I have mentioned on the weekly and also monthly timer, which was around 1517 and also 1519, but this is the area where the price could stop. On the daily, we can see much more clear what is the price level that the price could stop when going down. The first one is here, 154, and below that we can see it here, it is 15293, around 153 price level, and below that we can see it is around 15163. So as I have said, everything looks bullish. I'm expecting the price goes down and then continue to move up, but we will see what happens during the week. Very important days for the price is always the Monday and the Tuesday, when the price and also the market form some kind of signal for the rest of the week, when the traders enter the trades, until the Friday when they get outside of their trades. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.